Good morning, everyone. Today is the 5th of January 2026. We are looking at Nasdaq. On the weekly chart, we have had this accumulation at the top for throughout the end of 2025. We don't have clear direction here on the weekly chart. As you can see, we are stuck in this range. So we have the previous high to this low, and this would be our range. With that in mind, if I'm going to a 4-hour chart from the weekly, we can see that price after taking that all-time high, it has retraced, taking this low here, back to equilibrium of the range, then we have had this liquidity here tapped into, and back to equilibrium of this range. There we go. And so on and so forth. So if you look here, then let me remove this. Price comes into equilibrium. There it is. Once more on this impulse, comes into equilibrium. And what can we expect now from the price? Nothing much. So if we look at this bouncing around, we can observe that in this last impulse, price came into equilibrium, into this balance price range, this order block. In theory, from internal range liquidity, now we're going back to external range liquidity. And that being said, likely into this high here. So this would be a draw, maybe. That would be the bullish scenario. For the bearish scenario, if the market loses this level here, the market loses this level here, we can then maybe see a drop all the way into this. That's one scenario for the bearish side. And for the bullish side, as I said, intraday, I think price is going to trade into this 4-hour imbalance. If it goes above this level and confirms, then we can see that one, but if not, then we will see again lower prices, in my opinion. But we could maybe trade this leg up here. Now we have that draw on the bullish side, we have the draw on the bearish side, and let's look at something else. Let's look at gamma exposure levels. If I'm going here on the weekly chart and I am using this gamma exposure level indicator with which is showing me the optimal monthly expiry profile, we see how price has perfectly bounced from this level. So and that's coinciding with the level we just drawn up for the bearish side. So 25 to 65. Let me just put that into the text here. 5265. And on the there it is. So this is the transition area from bearish gamma to bullish gamma exposure. We have the 25733 level. That's right. So now that's giving us the intraday levels. As I said, if I'm going to the 4-hour chart, let's look at that here as well. Yeah, there it is, right? Yeah, this is saying an ideal lower. That could be true if we look here at what does this mean. This is all the block, right? So we could put that lower. Price gets stuck into 720, right? Okay. Now, with that in mind, I am not going to do anything for now. We do have some news at 10 today. We also have the high volume level 25,515. 25,515 is the level here. Let's mark that out as well. That's a pivot. $25,515. Right. We have that marked as well. So with that in mind, we have the map for the trading day. This is the 15-minute chart with the, as you can see here, we have the sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, and we have our pivot. Now we just need for price to engage with the levels, and we get our entry model. We can take a trade into the day. That's it for now. Hope you got something out of this as well. I'm happy with my levels intraday. Happy trading. Bye.